Before I put my little rant out there today about my shipping woes and them damaging really good parts, man, that really ticked me off. Before I got all wrapped up in that, my goal was to come out here today and get the sonic cleaner cleaned out, because the last couple things I cleaned in it was really crappy. And getting these carburetor parts soaked. Now this is off a 56 Ford. Very unique carburetor, because not many of them had the tri-power or had the triangle bottom mounting gasket. From what I understand, they were more of the square mounting gasket. So for anybody who didn't see the video before, man, look at that, I got purple paint on that. Interesting. Yeah, it's my paint mixing station, so it happens. Paint flies. The most important thing, if you see this little gasket right here, can you see that? Zero in on that for me, Mr. Pete. It's making sure you don't miss them little gaskets, okay? Them little gaskets go down inside of this bowl. They go under, there's 4 of them, and they go underneath this venturi. All right, and if you miss one of those, you're not going to get the vacuum through this venturi you want. And that's the biggest problem when people rebuild carburetors. They miss the small gaskets. So you got to take your time, check every gasket. They've been in there so long that they're actually, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this from. I need a pick. Let me see here. You know what? I'm not going to do this. I'm going to soak this carburetor. Oh, there it is. I got it. It's little gaskets like that, and that came out in pieces. You know, that's no good. It's matching every gasket before you throw it in your parts cleaner, because that parts cleaner is going to destroy little gaskets like that, and you're never going to know that it was there. These carburetors are not hard to build. This one's a little unique because the base is cast iron, and then the top 2 pieces are aluminum. I always test my floats. I'll put them in something and make sure they float, but it's kind of obvious because you can hear if they've been penetrated and gases in them. But I still try to check them. Obviously that float is stuck. It should be bouncing. Oh, there it goes. Now it's bouncing up and down. But I'm still going to replace the needle and seat because they get worn out over time. But this carburetor never saw ethanol. So we're going to get her cleaned. I'll do another video putting it back together and show you where I put these little gaskets. I'm hoping that I'm going to help somebody not be afraid of building a 2-barrel, 4-barrel, whatever it is you want to build. They're not hard. It's just a matter of cleaning them. Now, I let these things soak, get up to temperature. This unit right here will get up to 80 degrees. I get it up to temperature, I let them soak, and then I'll come in and remove these gaskets. Because if you try to remove them dry, you're going to scar up this aluminum. Now, you really can't scar up this cast iron, but you're going to scar up this aluminum if you're not careful, and then create a leak. So we're going to put all this in the soaker, get it all soaked up. I got to get down to KK's Ford Farm this week, get this mounted on for him, and see what we can do about picking a few cool things up that he's got down there in his woods. So Cuda Bill out for now. Sorry about my shipping rant, and stay tuned for more. Again, Wednesday. We're not going to do a live out of it, but we are going to have all the founding board members together. We're going to be over to the shop, and we're going to film over there. We're going to pick 3 gift certificate winners for the Save the Parts store to get the Motorhead Men Nonprofit Foundation moving. Cuda Bill out.